Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making coriander leaves tomato chutney or हरा धनिया टमाटर की चटनी. This chutney gives a nice flavor and taste to the recipes in which you add them. Enjoy it with different types of parathas, pakoda, kachori, samosa or various types of chaats. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Now let's check the ingredients to make cilantro tomato chutney. For making green coriander tomato chutney, we have taken one bunch of coriander leaves, which is about 100 grams. In the blender, we have washed it and chopped it in big size pieces. Now add 5 to 6 mint leaves. Add the green chilies as per your taste. Add 2 medium sized tomatoes. We have to chop it in the blender. Now add half a teaspoon of white salt, half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds. Now add the juice of half a lemon or as per the sourness of chutney you want. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Water will help in grinding the chutney. So now we'll be grinding it. So now we have to grind it to make a smooth paste. So now our green coriander tomato chutney is ready and we can serve them in a glass bowl, or if you want to store it, you can store it in the refrigerator for 15 days in the glass container. So make sure you store it in a glass container with an airtight lid on it. So now we have served the green coriander tomato chutney and it really tastes very delicious and it gives a really nice flavor to the recipes you added. You can enjoy it with any type of chaat, kachori, samosas or different types of parathas, and it really gives a nice taste and flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.